Yo, what up, peoples? Matty D, A1 Solutions Group. We got solutions to your financial needs and goals here. How y'all doing? Today, we're discussing about, what is a good credit score? And I bring this up because the other day I was visiting one of our partners on one real estate agency that we work with. Shout out to Century 21 Brad Realty down here where I am, Winchester. Yes. In case you're wondering about this, by the way, I'm gonna say this right now. I'm teaching kids English over in China at night, so I need to have this up. So that's what that's there. Back to the main point. So, one of the realtors I was talking to, she's having trouble renting this one space out. Nice place. It's like 3 bedroom, 1 bath for like $1,050 a month. Keep in mind, it's out in West Virginia, where there's banjos and it's cheaper and more pretty out there. So she's asking people. She had 2 requirements. One, it was, hey, do you have 4-wheel drive? Because where this place was, this house, the road gets really crappy. You got to make sure your car is pretty much a transformer to get through it. And 2, do you have good credit? She'd ask them the first one, do you have 4-wheel drive? Yes. Do you have good credit? And the people would say, yeah. She asked them, okay, what is it? They say, I think it's a 600. And I'm like, that's not a good credit score at all. So let's talk about what is a good credit score. And I'm reading this off of Experian.com, off their blog, on what is a good credit score. You can go there, and I'll put the link for it below in the video. But they have a little chart here, okay? And according to this article over at Experian, it says, generally, a FICO score above 670 is considered a good credit score on these models, on their models based on the FICO model. Okay, the lowest score you can get on the FICO model is a 300. The highest you can get is a 50. There's also Advantage. I'm gonna do a video on that where I'm gonna compare the difference between those two because it's credit is not as simple as you think it is. People look at one thing and then you find something different because it's just designed basically to confuse you. I'm gonna tell you this right now, so you guys stay on top of it. So, okay. So basically, it also talks about in this the percentage of people who have bad their credit scores or whatnot. And according to this article, 16% of people have a poor credit score between 300 to 579. 17% is 580 to 669. That's fair. For good credit score, 21%. If I'm reading this correctly, understanding it, 670 to 739. Very good, 740 to 799, and exceptional 800 to 850. But basically, actually, you know what? No, I think I'm reading this wrong. Just X that out. But basically, the whole point of this video is a good credit score is not 600, okay? Not even really a 650. And I'm saying this because you could have a 650 and I can have a 650, and they won't be equal. The reason being is because what you've done in your score, and what you have in your credit and what I've done are 2 different things based on if you were talking about how money works, if you're talking about credit and everything else. I mean, like, the thing is, you could have someone that's got 650 with a good amount of history and, a bunch of late payments, and then you have one person who's got 650 and they just opened a credit card, the first one, they won trade line, and they pay on it for like 6 months and they got 650. 2 very different scenarios there. So a good credit score is generally a 670 or higher, I would say at the least. If you really want to be safe, 700. All right, which is crazy because you think about it. There's a low of 300, there's a 4s, there's a 5s, and you're still not having a good credit score. Then there's a 600s, and you're still not there yet until you hit about a 670, which is crazy. Really think about it. So 670 and above. Pop quiz. I heard this on a podcast I follow, 800 Credit Score Man. Listen, you should follow that. And he gave a stat. What are the percentage of Americans that have a credit score above 800? Do you know? 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think it was 0.5% of the U.S. population has a credit score above 800. 0.5%. So if you want to be generous, less than 1% of the U.S. population has a credit score above an 800. That's crazy. Crazy. I'm going to say it's crazy shit because it is. So you're a person watching this video and you're wondering what a good credit score is, If it's not a 670 or higher, I'm telling you right now, it's not the greatest. You gotta know it's on your credit score. You gotta know it's on. You have to know what's on your credit report, what's on there, what's not on there. And when someone asks you, "What do you have your credit? What's your score?" You don't want to say "I think" because it's not. I think it's this, blah blah. You want to say, "Yo, I just checked it. It's a 6 on each bureau, blah blah blah." Boom, check it, run it, boom, you're good to go. A lot of people will lie about stuff like this. So yeah, my credit's good, and then you look at it and you're like, you think to yourself, why you lying, son? Why you lying about your score? Anyways, so I'm in this video right now. It's been long enough. So questions, thoughts, like the video, please hit the like button, comment below, and let me know what your thoughts are, because this stuff is not about you. It's not about me. It's about you and your thoughts, what you want to see, what you want to know. Because credit is something that goes a little deeper than people think. It goes a little deeper than just paying your bills. It goes outside the other areas of your life that you're not aware of and won't know, and just someone tells you, and you're gonna go, oh. So that being said, subscribe. Love y'all. See you next video. Deuces.